Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the BYD PETE brand. This is their universal 8 pieces waveguide cover for microwaves. It's your microwave oven repairing mica plates. These sheets are 5.11 inches by 5.11 inches. And let's just take one of them out right here. We're going to get a closer look at it. And they're very rigid as the material they're made out of. There's quartz material in here. And information about what these are. They're called waveguide covers. They're usually made of material called mica. And what does it do? Its purpose is to cover the aperture through which the microwave energy enters the oven cavity from where they are produced by the magnetron behind the control panel. I'm going to make a little drawing of that. Usually this cover is made of the mica, as I mentioned, and it's very strong and tough. But over time, it will absorb moisture and oil, and it will break down the material. And then you'll start to see sparking in your microwave. That's when you know it's time to change it. So again, this provides a gap where the microwaves enter the oven cavity, where they're produced by the magnetron. And this also prevents moisture and food particles from getting into the workings of the microwave. That's why it's important to have this on there and working. So you can just cut this to size, and every microwave is a little different. You essentially want to mimic what is in your microwave and replace it. Some microwaves have you cut these little edges in here and you just bend it, because this is bendable. And you could then put it in like a slot. On my microwave, I'm going to show, it just is held in place with a little glue, and I use little tiny dabs of instant glue. I'm going to show you that also. But it's very simple to work with this product. Now, on your microwave oven, and these are all microwave ovens, there is a piece of electronics that's called the magnetron. And this magnetron generates very high frequencies, microwave frequencies. Now they don't leave like a sound, like a speaker or like an antenna. They're so high frequency that they propagate out in something called a waveguide. And this is essentially a tube, a rectangular tube that is designed to have these microwave energies travel down them very rapidly. They have to exit somewhere. So they exit where you see that opening in your microwave. There's your microwave right here. So that is where they exit. Now you don't want dirt and debris in here. So this mica cover allows these microwave energies to exit, and it doesn't allow them to come back. So that way they absorb into your food that you have on your platter, but they don't go back into the electronics. And what happens is oil and debris, even though there's fans in here, oil and debris will eventually, and moisture will break this down. And that's why this mica panel starts to break down, and you have to replace it occasionally. So that's where this comes in. You cut it to the size you need, and you replace that panel right there, and your microwave starts working again perfectly. So it's very simple to do. You take the pattern of what came out of your microwave. Now I have a brand new one in my microwave, so I can't remove it for this demonstration. And you just put the old piece on here and you trace it out. And then you take scissors and cut out that pattern. And in my case, I'm going to use little dabs of thick instant glue. I'll show you how I do that. So here's my microwave, and you could see right there is the mica sheet, and I just held it in place with instant glue. There's only one little tab on mine that holds it, and the instant glue I just put into all the little corners, just a slight amount. And then if you have an opening on the bottom, I just made a little L piece to ensure that no moisture gets in there. But whatever's on your microwave, that's what you're going to duplicate and add the new product, the new mica sheet, to your microwave. So what's my overall impression about the BYD PETE Universal 8-piece waveguide covers for your microwave? These Mica sheets are excellent. They're thicker than other brands I have tried, and as I demonstrated, they work great in the microwave, and you're going to be able to get your microwave working perfect again with a very inexpensive, simple modification to it. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to alert to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.